Welcome to our beginner's guide to spirituality. If you are new to the concept of spirituality or seeking a deeper understanding of this transformative path, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will provide you with authentic knowledge and practical insights to help you embark on your spiritual journey with clarity and purpose. So, I request you to watch the complete video, and if you like the video, support me by liking and subscribing to the channel. Spirituality is a deeply personal and subjective experience that invites us to explore the profound aspects of our existence and connect with something greater than ourselves. It is not confined to any specific religion or belief system, but rather embraces the universal principles of love, compassion, interconnectedness, and personal growth. Let's begin by exploring some key principles of spirituality for beginners. Principle 1. Self-exploration. Spirituality encourages us to embark on a journey of self-discovery. It invites us to explore our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and values, gaining a deeper understanding of who we truly are. This process involves self-reflection, introspection, and an open mind to uncover our authentic selves. Principle 2. Mindfulness and presence. Being mindful and present is a cornerstone of spirituality. It involves paying attention to the present moment, observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, and cultivating a sense of deep awareness. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, breathwork, and conscious living can help us develop this quality. Principle 3. Connection with the divine. Spirituality acknowledges the presence of a higher power, a divine essence that transcends our limited understanding. This connection can be fostered through prayer, meditation, contemplation, or any practice that allows us to commune with the divine and experience a sense of interconnectedness. Principle 4. Seeking wisdom and knowledge. Spirituality encourages us to seek wisdom and knowledge from various sources. This can involve reading spiritual texts, listening to teachings from spiritual teachers, attending workshops, or engaging in discussions with like-minded individuals. It's important to approach this journey with an open mind and a thirst for learning. Principle 5. Personal growth and transformation. A fundamental aspect of spirituality is the belief in our innate potential for growth and transformation. As we delve deeper into our spiritual journey, we open ourselves to new perspectives, challenge limiting beliefs, and embrace personal development. This growth extends to all areas of life, fostering a sense of wholeness and fulfillment. Now, let's explore some practical steps for beginners to begin their spiritual journey. Step 1. Establish a sacred space. Create a dedicated space in your home where you can practice meditation, prayer, or any other spiritual practice. This space should be clean, peaceful, and filled with objects or symbols that hold personal meaning for you. Step 2. Start a daily practice. Set aside a few minutes each day to engage in a spiritual practice that resonates with you. This could be meditation, journaling, yoga, or simply taking a mindful walk in nature. Consistency is key, even if you start with just a few minutes each day. Step 3. Explore different paths. Take the time to explore various spiritual paths and practices. Attend workshops or classes, read books from different spiritual traditions, and engage in conversations with individuals who have diverse perspectives. This exploration will help you find what resonates with your heart and aligns with your values. Step 4. Seek guidance and support. It can be beneficial to seek guidance from experienced practitioners or spiritual teachers. They can provide valuable insights, offer support, and help answer any questions you may have along your journey. However, remember that ultimately, you are your own best guide. Remember, spirituality is a deeply personal and unique journey. There is no right or wrong way to embark on this path. It's about discovering what resonates with you and cultivating a connection to something greater than yourself. Embrace the exploration, remain open-minded, and trust the wisdom that unfolds within you. Thank you for joining us on this beginner's guide to spirituality. We hope this video has provided you with a foundation for your spiritual journey. Remember to be patient, compassionate with yourself, and enjoy the transformative power of spirituality. May your path be filled with self-discovery, growth, and a deep sense of connection.